In this video, let me show you how we can separate the keyboard on your iPad. So as you can see, I have the iPad like this. I can access the keyboard and it is in full. It's like fully connected. So if I want to separate it, I can use the pinch gesture to pinch it out like this. And then now it is separated, meaning that it's split right in here. And if I hold the iPad in my hands, it might be easier to type with both of my thumbs, right? I can always pinch back in to make it come back to the normal state. And also, if you prefer other approach, you can also hold it down on the bottom right corner button like this and switch it from the full screen mode to the split mode. And as well, it gets the same thing done, and you can come back using the same button and you can merge the keyboard like that. So that's how it works. But as you can see, this is just the iPad mini, and I have another iPad in there in the frame, and this one is the iPad Pro. And on this one, for some reason, it's simply not supported to separate the keyboard. So that's something you have to think about as well. Not every iPad is gonna support it, and in here, if I try to do the same thing, it simply doesn't work, and the options don't include the split keyboard. I can make it look like this. I can make a floating one up here, but not really the split keyboard on this iPad. It is running the latest version of the iPad OS and everything, but it simply doesn't work. So that's what I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it. Subscribe and I'll talk to you later.